You guys ready for some good news? Here we go. One of the things you guys told me to do was to get my sauces on Amazon Prime. And I've been working at it since last year. And now I'm happy to announce that our barbecue sauce is on Amazon Prime right now for you guys to order. But if that new stuff does well on Amazon Prime, we're gonna put all our sauces, the Jamaican jerk, the teriyaki, and the hot barbecue, and the gourmet seasoning are all gonna go to Amazon Prime. So if you're looking to kick off your spring with grilling, you wanna get my sauce, they are 3-packs. A lot of you are gonna say, how come you don't sell one jar at a time? Well, if you've ever been in the business, you'll know that through Amazon, if I sell one jar at a time, there's no profit. Amazon takes their share, I gotta pay to ship it to them, it's a whole mess. Another thing you asked me to do was to remove the high fructose corn syrup out of my barbecue and my hot barbecue sauce. And guess what? Done. The barbecue sauce right now that I'm selling on Amazon Prime has no high fructose corn syrup. You're saying, Jack, but you got all this sauce in your warehouse that still has the ketchup with the high fructose corn syrup. Not a problem. I'm putting all that on sale. So you have a few choices. Do I want the new formula with no high fructose corn syrup on Amazon Prime? Go there. Do I want to grab some sauce of Jack's on sale? Then go to my website. All the links are down below. It's a new formula, just like you asked. Amazon Prime, just like you asked. Now, we have a small amount of that barbecue right now on Amazon Prime. So if you're going to grab it soon. I got more going to the warehouse at Amazon. It's all good. It's all wonderful. It's all because of you guys. Thanks for helping me continue to grow and get better. So grab yourself some sauce because it's time to grill.